You guys might remember that I got this most wonderful yak wool hat at our meetup on our vendor walk. And Teresia, you guys know her from Off the Hook for You and Geriatric Gypsies. Off the Hook for You, she crochets, and she is going to make me scarves and mittens to match, and she came over today to see how it fits. But I gotta say, I'm gonna embarrass you, I know. Can you look down and let them see? Look at her little, I want those for my hats too, little flowers.
There's a reason for this.
She just does so much stuff.
My husband and I have the same hat, so I wanted to identify mine, and I knew there's no way in hell he would be wearing this one. So.
Two hats in a van, what are the chances of getting confused?
A girly hat. Robert and I have been talking about getting another rig. We don't know yet, but his would be the man cave, and mine would be the she shed, and that's such a she shed thing. I love it.
Well, you know, we're kind of half and half over there with she shed stuff versus.
Yes, exactly. Okay, my dear, you actually came over here for something, and I hijacked you.
I'm in the process of making this, and I've been going by my hand, but I want to see if your hand is the same as mine before I finalize it.
I have big hands.
Oh, well, that's perfect then.
Look.
See, and I have to do the flip.
What
the
flip?
flip
Oh, the
top.
thing that
that
you're
goes
gonna make
over.
me a mitten thing on the top?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
So you can wear them like that, or you can wear it like this if you want.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
But before I commit to this, I wanted to be sure it wasn't too short or too long. So that's what I was doing.
Oh, and you're even gonna make me the mitten top.
Yeah, just like mine, my red ones.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, how lovely. Da 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 da.
And I did your scarf is done already, and your Mussy Bun Heights done already. So.
Oh my gosh, when I wear a ponytail, I can wear, she's going to make me one of those things for my ponytail.
I did, it's done.
She's done. Amazing, amazing. See what kind of friends you make out here, and not kidding. I just meet the most wonderful people. Thank you, Teresia.
You're welcome. I love doing it.
This is my friend Sylvie Ann. Love you, Sylvie Ann.
Love you
and
too,
she's
Debra.
out here styling while riding her bike.
My new used bike
I love it.
that I got because of the Two Meander meetup.
Oh, wow.
Because when we're sitting eating tacos, I saw it over at the tent and said, I have to go have that.
I love it.
See, so I owe it to you.
I love that. Thank you. Okay, everybody, so this is an outro, and to be honest, I've lost track of whether I've already recorded an outro or not. So this is like a new outro, I think, or maybe it's the original one, I don't know. So I had a TBI episode while we were out and about. I kind of was already skipping, but Robert and I talked about it, and he stayed with me and everything, and when I get like that, decision making anymore is out the window, and so that's why I can't travel alone anymore. And we met so many wonderful people, but we were down talking to my friend Sylvie Ann that you just saw on this last clip, and my friend David and his wonderful dog Sierra, and then traffic just started coming, and I didn't know what to do. Sylvie Ann had left, David was leaving to go take care of Sierra, and Robert was standing there, and I was like, I don't know what to do. I didn't know how to get out of the traffic, and so he took my arm and brought me back home, and we sat down, and he did a video of that for our Two Meander channel, and I am doing better, and we'll put this video up later after I've rested and eaten and all of that. And I know some people are gonna slam me, but I also know that you guys love me, and I just want to tell you that we're on it. we'll take care of me and we'll figure it out, and no worries. But this is day 2 and it's supposed to go 12 days and we're not teaching until the 16th. So anyway, I'm going to be playing turtle a lot and staying in my van, and hopefully people will quit walking through our camp because we're on like the end and people keep cutting through the washes through our camp, and I get it, that's okay, but hopefully I can get some rest and we'll figure it out. And that's how it is when you travel with a disability, and it's stuff like that is why I can't travel alone anymore. And I'm grieving that, but I'm also very happy to be blessed and still be out here. All right, talk to you later. Have a great day. See you hopefully tomorrow. See you down the road.
Good to be here. Pleased to be here.
Love you, Sylvia.